Doc, ang laki-laki talaga ng pores ko. Naiinis na ako kahit anong skincare ko, hindi ko talaga siya maayos. So today, I will recommend the top procedures para ma-fix yung enlarged pores mo. First, KBK Juvelook. Very effective. I've done it myself. All of my doctors here sa clinic, we've done it. Talagang after 1 to 2 weeks, you will really see your pores very minimized. Parang nagkakaroon ng filter yung skin. Nag-glass skin. Best thing about it, wala siyang downtime. Just some swelling and redness on the day that you do it, pero the next day, almost wala. You need to do Juvelook at least 2 to 3 sessions every month. Very nice. Aside from shrinking your pores, brighten your skin, it also has long-term collagen stimulating effects up to 18 months. Second that I've tried is KBK Micro Botox. We can inject small doses of Botox dito sa cheeks kung saan pinaka-enlarged yung pores. Very effective din siya. I've also tried it kasi yung Botox, pinapalit niya talaga yung pores. No? We can also combine the Botox with Juvelook. So, i-offer namin yun sa clinic. Juvelook with Micro Botox para isang inject and downtime na lang. Third, I would recommend for enlarged pores is Regeron. Regeron H in particular. Yung H yun yung for the whole face. The S is for scars. I is for the under. Si Regeron H, when injected into the skin, really heals the skin. It has healing properties. Then, nakaka-glass skin din siya because it's salmon DNA. It's similar to our DNA. So, it's like we're injecting collagen Lego blocks na mag-heal and magre-repair ng skin natin. And talagang nakaka-fresh and nakaka-glass skin din. Last, I would recommend yung KBK Blaumann Laser, which is a blue laser. Pag ginawa yun sa skin mo, parang nagpa-powdery, no? So parang naka-filter din, naka-makeup. Then second is KBK Carbon Laser. So mamili ka na lang sa dalawa. 1 day after the carbon laser. Carbon laser kasi, you put carbon, ina-absorb yun ng pores mo. Then pag tumama yung ilaw, yung laser, tinatamaan niya yung mismong carbon, so nililinisan niya yung pores. No? So pag malinis yung pores mo, parang it has an appearance na lumiliit. Remember guys, your pores do not expand or minimize. So hindi siya lumiliit at lumalaki. But we have these procedures para ma-less yung appearance ng pagkalaki mo.